Hello everybody, Zeff here with ZeffsTrading. Hope you guys are doing well today, September 3rd, 2024. This will be our chart lesson for today of the ES futures on the 2000 tick chart. As you can see here, a nice two-legged move to the downside. Two channels here working on the downward move. Broke yesterday's low. Really big sell-off. So wondering if this is kind of a lower high on a daily chart. We'll see what happens. But there's a couple trades in here, not too many, a lot of aggressive ones. Let's just jump right into it. Pre-market session, strong trading range. I saw this ABC, really nice first entry, second entry, long failure of a breakout of a trading range, at least test back up to the EMA. I thought this was a pretty decent trade here. Good signal bar, low risk trade. So if you know what you're doing, that's a nice ABC right there. Then I saw these visual two-legged pullbacks here with a first entry, second entry, long failure right at the key entry point, exactly where you want to see it. Good signal bar, plenty of room to the lows. And what I mean by lows, I mean the swing low here. That's always what I mean. We also have another first entry, second entry long failure. I also see this as a first entry, second entry short. It is a double bottom, and it is quite sideways. But with the context of the day being down and price action below the EMA, good signal bar, go short. We have a lot of these falling wedge consolidation patterns throughout the day, so you'll continuously see that. Market makes its way down here, pulls back, correction again, and then you get a really nice first entry, second entry short. That's the way I saw this. Nice ABC. There was a news event, so you just got to be careful of it, but right at the key entry points here with this downward khaki channel. Pretty decent signal bar as well. Try to get in with a limit order, especially when the bars are this big. I'd only try to get in with limit order, so like right around here. Plenty of room, back again to the swing low, tests it, bounces, sells off. Just gets kind of these two legs here. See if this is measured or not. Not quite got to it, but got to the bottom of the trend channel. Has a correction phase here with a really nice lower high. That's the way I saw this. Textbook setup. Take that lower high. Rejection at EMA. Exactly where you want to see it. Move it along here with our break. After that, you do, again, just kind of this repeat pattern of price action. Move down, sideways, move down, wedge. Probably divergence here, higher low, correction. With a move up, break, new high, and back to selling off. And this is where the second channel really comes in here. Rejection off EMA, again, one-legged correction, sell off, one-legged correction, sell off. And we're going back to sideways here, more consolidation. There's a lot of noise today, a lot of just waiting. What you're really looking for is only trading around the key entry points and looking for high quality setups. So always try to remember that with a nice move up, first entry, second entry long, failure. I think you could also argue just a pure lower high as well. But when you see that, you're looking for at least a test back down to the swing low. And that's exactly where we went before. Again, going back up, rejection, hidden second entry short. If you know what you're doing, this is probably going to have to be marked as aggressive here for that hidden second entry short, but basically on a lower time frame, you see pull back. And also check 1000 tick chart. Could be a second entry short as well. Remember, just try to always count the legs and really understand context and not so much the pattern. Have a moment of sideways here. Boom, big leg down. Again, consolidation, falling wedge pattern, correction up. Same thing happens. Then I saw this really nice first entry, second entry long, failure, great signal bar. Take those, definitely. Making its way down here, you get a nice 1, 2, and 3 triple test, good signal bar, plenty of room down to the swing low. Always make sure you have room to the swing low here in a trading range. Do not be selling down here. You will get chopped up every time. So nice triple test there. Huge sell-off here happens, move down, break, new low. This one's pretty tempting to take. It is only a first entry, but there's a Linda Raschke rule: buy the first pullback, sell the first pullback. I think you got to mark that one, especially with the context like this. Move down, break, clear bear flag, sell off. Last 30 minutes of the day, last 20 minutes of the day, basically, you do get a move up, trying to recover all the losses that they had for today. You get a first entry, second entry long, and then higher low, also first entry, second entry short, failure. Double high probability setup here. If you know what you're doing, and you understand price action, you're more experienced with the PAT system, I think you can take that for sure. You just have to know what you're doing. Try to enter with a limit order, just a few ticks back. You are looking for the break and new high. So in this case, you can go for, instead of 2 points here, go for 4, go for 3. Look for the new high. In this case, maybe 5 or 4.5 points. You just got to make sure you're managing your risk correctly. Anyways, for the rest of the day, makes its way higher, and that's where it ends. Hope you guys enjoyed this chart review, and as always, I'll see you guys next time.